So you're thinking of moving to South Central Texas and you focused on San Antonio area. Well, today we're in New Braunfels, Texas, which is about 20-30 minutes northeast of San Antonio. Still considered in the San Antonio metropolitan area. It's an amazing city, and we're focusing on the legacy at Lake Dunlap. It's a new build neighborhood, and I think you're gonna like these homes.
So we're gonna take you today into the model home of Highland Builder. Is one of the premier builders at the legacy at Lake Dunlap. And you're gonna be amazed by this beautiful, beautiful model home. We will take you around, show you some of the different lots that are available. And if you stick around to the very end, we're gonna share with you the best kept secret of the neighborhood you definitely do not wanna miss. And we're gonna get started right now. So here we are at the Everleigh model of the Highland Home model homes. And guys, this is a beautiful, beautiful home. Let me talk first about the neighborhood. There are currently 5 builders in the neighborhood, 5 different builders. They are models. Some of them are in the process of being built right now. Some of them are completed. We'll definitely take you into different builders in other videos. Right now, we're gonna focus on Highland. Highland Homes are building 40-foot lots. They currently have 25 lots available in the first phase. I believe there's 3 different phases planned out for this neighborhood. And there's 6 inventory homes that are currently available or in the process of being finished out. Again, they're 40-foot lots. In the other phases, they are going to have larger lots available that we can definitely keep you posted on. So this home is, as I said, the Everleigh model, and it is a 2-story. The master is downstairs, and it has 2,360 square feet. The base price of this home is $427,990. Again, that is the base price. The price will go up depending on your finishes and the choices that you make. Now, they do have fully customizable plans. You can go to the design center in San Antonio to pick out your finishes, to figure out which tiles you want, all that kind of fun stuff to make it even more exciting and more personable to you. So let's get started. Let's go look at this house. Welcome home. First thing that you notice on this amazing home is the glass front door. It just lets the beautiful light in. It opens up this whole area. It's just awesome. It's a great first impression. So as you come through here, we're gonna come directly into the main living area. Guys, these ceilings in this place are like totally awesome. I mean, take a look at those windows over here. Look how tall they are. Things you can do with this is just mind-boggling on the different design, different ways you can decorate them. But the light, again, coming into this home is what it's all about in this area. I love that the ceilings are tall. The openness of the railing on the staircase and the banister upstairs is just amazing. Again, the model home does have a fireplace. It's electric. As I've said in other videos, sometimes people think we're crazy in Texas because we want a fireplace, but I love it, and I know people truly enjoy just having the nice coziness of the warmth, or at least the look of it. So it's great. So you go into the kitchen. This kitchen is totally awesome. Guys, the quartz that they use in here, the design of it, the attention to detail by this builder is incredible. I mean, the glass open face cabinets up there are just amazing. They do have the lighting in there. And this neighborhood does have gas. So they have the gas stove tops, which to me as a baker and a chef, this is just absolutely amazing. Beautiful open sink.
That's a farmhouse sink.
It's a farmhouse sink. It's gorgeous.
Yeah.
Look at this pantry.
Good size.
Very nice,
pantry.
nice pantry.
Very nice.
Plenty of room for all your stuff.
Unless you have too much stuff.
You can always get rid of some stuff. This one also has the additional cabinet space and counter space over here on the side of it, which is awesome. Your dining area, again, the windows in here just let all of the natural light in.
A little window seat, kind of a half window seat.
So we'll take you outside in a moment, but this is leading you to the primary bedroom. Remember, again, this is the model home, so it has the best of the best of the best in this model.
Nice little bay area.
Does have a bay area. This room is plenty spacious. King size bed, nightstands, and the sitting area. So very, very nice size.
A barn door on the bathroom.
Attention to detail is awesome. So this is the primary bath with the garden tub, the window overlooking it, and the amazing shower, plenty big. And check out this closet, y'all.
Oh my, I might get lost in here.
It's a really, really nice sized closet. Plenty of space. You do have the dual sinks, which is really nice. Plenty of cabinet space. These actually open, which is fabulous. And then you do have the bathroom with the door to shut it as well. I love the attention on that wall. I think that wall is amazing.
Yep.
It's just really, really pretty. I do love the color blue in this home. Really just gives you the peace and calmness. Beautiful. So as I said, this is 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths.
I'm going to show you the downstairs bedroom, another downstairs bedroom that also has an ensuite bathroom. Again,
a very nice size. Plenty of room in here. Another ensuite. So you have 2 bedrooms downstairs, both of them with a full bath, which is really awesome. And the closet space in here is, these are very nice size closet. I love the doors. The doors are tall.
All the way to the top.
They go all the way to the top. So plenty of room for storage in here.
And then right next door, we have a half bath.
So guys, take a look at this utility room. I have to say, I love it because it has a window in it. So as you're standing here doing your favorite chore of laundry, you can actually look outside, see what the weather is, see what your neighbors are doing. I just think it's a fabulous idea. Okay, let's head upstairs. Okay, so we are upstairs now. And the first thing that you walk into, well, right across from the stairwell, is another storage closet, which is nice. As I said, there's no shortage in this house. This is an open area, game room, setting area, really whatever you would like it to be up here. And guys, look over this railing. How beautiful and open this place is. I just love
amazing.
This model. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, let's see what else we can find, Bri.
More storage.
Another large storage closet, another full bath. And then here are your other 2 bedrooms. Again, very good size rooms. This is like large furniture in here, so it's a very good size.
Another oversized closet. Like Brenda says, there's no shortage of storage.
Shortage of storage. Now, this room they have set up as an office, but it is also the 4th bedroom. And they're highlighting green in their decor. That's a whole nother video. We'll do green soon. But you'll recognize it. If you hang with us, you'll recognize green.
You'll definitely
and green
recognize it. And once again,
another great size closet. So again, this is the model home. It is 2360 square feet.
4 bedroom, 3.5 bath.
3.5 bath. And the lot sizes for this builder are 40 feet. So nice size home sites. and we'll drive you around the neighborhood. But first, let's take a look at the backyard on this one.
It's beautiful.
Okay, let's take a look at the backyard. This is the model home, so a lot prettier than what you're gonna get when you first build it, but we'll take a look at it outside.
They've got a nice little fire pit out here. These are all kind of ideas that you could do back here. Obviously, this is a oversized lot, so here's the back of the house. So whoever buys this model home could possibly turn it in or add a swimming pool back here very easily if that's what you wanted.
Whenever this model becomes available,
Yeah.
which will be a long time.
It'll be a long time from now.
But something to know about the Legacy at Lake Dunlap, the major roadway that's running right across here is Highway 46. That is a major roadway through New Braunfels. It does
Have traffic.
It has traffic. It does go across I-35 about 3 miles that way or so. And so, of course, 35 runs north and south. So it's easy access. There's all kinds of commercial around here. From here,
Lots of restaurants.
there's restaurants. You're probably, 10 minutes
Retail.
from an HEB
Yeah.
or so. So lots of retail that's close by. So it's a very good location. And again, it is Legacy at Lake Dunlap. And we'll talk about that in a moment. Okay, so we are driving through the neighborhood at Legacy at Lake Dunlap. This is one of the homes that are available for Highland. And guys, let me tell you, the detail that this builder puts in their landscaping just blows my mind. They are so meticulous about the trees,
Nobody else
the
does
shrubs, the flowers. I'm just blown away because most of the time you're lucky to get 2 trees and a couple of shrubs. So it's just, like I said, their attention to detail with this build is just spectacular. Now, as we drive through here, you're going to see the other builders that are available. These lots are all available. It's Perry Homes, Pulte Homes, Legacy, and Monticello. So here's another one of the spec homes available for Highland. So plenty of space available for you. Like I said, if you're starting to get serious about moving down here, this is an amazing neighborhood to consider. I love the location of it. And let me tell you the best kept secret of this little neighborhood. Little. It's not really little.
Not little at
it's
all.
not little at
It's
all.
gonna
There's
be
3
big.
phases. It's going to be a huge neighborhood. So in the phase 3, the direction we're facing right now is the river. The Dunlap, it's Lake Dunlap, which is part of Guadalupe River, is dammed up on both sides with several little lakes off of the same river. But they're going to be building a park down there, and they're still working on finalizing and getting approval for the details of the lake access. But they are definitely going to have lake access for the homeowners, only the homeowners in this neighborhood. So that's an incredible thing to be able to say, because Lake Dunlap is an absolutely beautiful lake. Not quite sure what all that is going to entail as far as the access to it, or what they're going to have, if it's going to be a beachfront or if you can have kayaks and canoes and that kind of thing. That's still to be determined, but
It won't have boat access.
it will not have boat access because you can't have boats in the neighborhood. But it's just something to look forward to, and a really great amenity to have in your backyard. So that concludes this tour of Legacy at Lake Dunlap. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell below to receive notifications from us anytime there's an update in the San Antonio, Texas market.
And
Y'all have a great time.
feel free to schedule a Zoom call with us.
Schedule a Zoom call, give us a call,
Email us,
email.
text.
We're available and would look forward to meeting you guys and helping you move to Texas.